Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Alishan Mo here. M2 helicopter is repaired and it's back for the flights. You have watched my video of M2 helicopter crash. That was a pilot error. You know, you often crash these helicopters. The 3D helicopters are meant to crash because pilots often make mistake. Orientation is one of the key things to master. I was flying inverted backward and somehow I went too low to the ground, touched the blades to the ground. And somehow the servo horn broke. I don't know how much power it actually hit the ground. It was on a full throttle basically, so I'm sure that's enough power to break the servo horn. Servo horn broke and the propeller and the blades, they just went, you know, the highest pitch possible, and it just hit. I believe there was a blade hit on the canopy as well, and I hit the zero throttle, crashed. The damage report was in the video, and I bent main shaft, broke the main blades, broke 2 of the servo horns. Now, to be honest, this is why I love the M2 helicopter and its design. The repairs are absolutely just straightforward and super duper easy, given that you have the parts in your hands. So the main thing was to replace the main shaft, because when I spun the main rotor head, you know, it was vibrating. So I knew that the main shaft was bent. Slight bend, and you will have vibrations of your life that you cannot fly the helicopter. I was worried that feathering bar is also bent, but I don't see when I spun the main rotor head, and when I spin the main rotor head, I don't see blades tracking wrong. Blades are tracking perfect, so my feathering bar is okay. So replacing the servo horns was very straightforward. Just center the servo, power on the helicopter, center the servos, install it. Replacing the blade was super easy. The main shaft, it took me 3 screws. One at the bottom of the motor, one is a lock on the motor, and one lock on top. And after that, you can simply pull out the main shaft. You'll have to remove the main rotor head top assembly as well. So that's the 4th screw to open. And after that, just put in a new shaft, and put everything back on. That was simple, straightforward. A helicopter is back for flight. Today, I have 6 fully charged batteries. So I'm not in the mood of 3D. I'm just gonna fly it, and after that I will fly it in full throttle mode and try to do some little, just a little 3D, just to have fun. Also, the thing that you're gonna love about M2 is that you can basically customize it according to your favorite color. Now, 3 different color of canopies are available. I have here the orange one with the orange blades, orange accent on the blades, all right, matches the orange accent here on the landing skids and orange on the tail there. Now, if you want to change it to blue, you gotta get all those parts in blue. You can get the canopy in blue, and you can also get the main blades with blue accents. And then lime green, this is what I love it, man. Very easy, very visible in the air. Very easy to see color, very visible in the air, and also you can get the blades in the same accent. Well, obviously you will have to match the accent there. I just ordered these parts just because if I break it, I just, replace them and keep flying. So the flying doesn't stop. Alright, enough talk about the M2 helicopter. Let's get to flights now. Alright, let's have fun with the M2 helicopter. First flight after the crash. I hope I don't crash it. I'm gonna fly on concrete. I see slight vibrations. Okay, vibrations gone. I see that it's taking off on slightly more throttle compared to before, so I will have to either reset the servos center or how to say, simply adjust my pitch curves. Blade scraping coming, people. That is very low to ground. Oh, that was not good. I'm taking it really easy because I have 6 batteries and I am not in a mood of crashing my beloved bird. Okay, the last one could have gone wrong. Okay, I hear some strange rattling. I gotta check all the screws on the main frame as well. This baby is fast. Drifting on the ground. Oh. All right, land and change battery.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?